السلام عليك يا حجة الله في أرضه السلام عليك أين الله في خلقه السلام عليك.
Ma'rifah of Allah and ma'rifah of Hujjah of Allah and ma'rifah of community. In lectures on Wilaya, social Wilaya, we have explained that ma'rifatul Imam cannot be separate from ma'rifatul Ummah. Ma'rifah of Imam and ma'rifah of his people cannot be separated. We should remember Imam, we should remember his people. In Du'a Ahd, we say to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, please send my salutations to Imam, and then we say not just on my behalf or not just on behalf of my parents and myself, on behalf of all mu'mineen and mu'minat fi masharigh al-ard wa magharibiha, sahlaha wa jabalaha, barraha wa bahraha. All believers in the east, in the west, those who live in overseas, in islands, etc. All of them, we have to remember them every day. Yesterday, someone shared with me a short clip of Ayatollah Bahjat, rahmatullah alayh. This is in Farsi. I can share with you, and maybe someone also can, add some subtitles. He talks about, what to do if you have some hajat. Someone apparently was ill and he suggested few things, and then he also said, I pray every day for people, even those who are in China. I pray for them. And he says, if we don't do this, this is sign of weakness of Iman. That's very interesting. You don't expect that, someone who is in Qom and deep in his spirituality may be praying every day for people everywhere in the world. But he not only is praying like this, he says, this is a requirement of Iman. So, we need to know Imam, we need to know community of Imam and humanity, because it's Imam for Nas. Yes, the Shia, the believers, have a special relation, but he is Imam not for Shia only. He is for Nas. Allah said to Ibrahim alayhi salam, إِنِّي جَعِلُكَ لِلنَّاسِ إِمَامًا, not جَعِلُكَ لِلْمُؤْمِنِينَ إِمَامًا. Also, in Dua Nutbah, for example, we say, أَتَرَانَا نَحُفُّ بِكَ وَأَنْتَ تَأُمُّ الْمَلَأَ. We would, inshallah, get around him to help him, to support him, but his imamah, his leadership is for mala, for masses of people. So, we need to know Imam, we need to know people of Imam and general situation of humanity, but with wisdom, not to be too optimistic, not to be too pessimistic. Some people are so pessimistic that they cannot do anything, and they look at everything as negative. There are lots of positive points, lots of also difficulties. But overall, we should be more hopeful than hopeless. We should be more optimistic than pessimistic. As a young person, try to be always hopeful and optimistic and positive. See the problems, but don't let the problems blind you. The problems always come on the surface. Yeah, like the bubbles. They come on the surface and catch our sight, but you need to take your time and see there are lots of other things there. Lots of beautiful things out there. So strengthen ourselves with taqwa, with willpower, with fairness, with ma'rifah, with love for Imam, mahabbah.
السلام عليك يا حجة الله في